Welcome back. This is Keith All with another tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to create or customize your text in your post on Facebook. So have you ever wondered on your Facebook feed that someone posts something and their text is either bolded or italicized or underlined? Well, there's a free way that you could do this. Now, this is just one way. I'm sure there's other ways out there, but this is the way that I found on how to do that. So I'm on my Facebook page and I already typed in what I wanted. Now, let's say that you want this portion down here to be bolded. So all you have to do is highlight it, Control C on a PC that copies that highlighted text. And then if you go over to this free website, it's called yaytext.com, which is Y, A as in Apple, Y, T as in Tom, E as in Edward, X, T as in Tom.com. And on the left-hand side, you have a bunch of different options that you could work with. But today we're going to just select the bold italic option. And then once you scroll down where it says your text, copy it into here. Okay, and what it does is it creates all these options down here below, so you can have it bold and serif font or bold and sans font. Again, italic options, and then you have bold and italic options here. So decide on which effect that you want, and then come over here to the right and select the copy button next to the option that you want to appear in your text. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this top one here. I'm going to click on copy, go back to my Facebook post. This area is already selected, so all I'm going to do now is Control V as in Victor on a PC to copy that. So now this text is bolded. So let's try this again. Let's do this. Highlight it, Control C to copy it. Go over here. Now let's select a different option. I want it to be bold and italic. So I'm going to select this option here, come over here, click copy, go back to a Facebook post. It's already highlighted, and just copy over it. And as you can see, that text is now customized to bold and italic. And then all you have to do is click on post and you're done. In your post, it'll show that this area is bold as compared to the rest of the text. And in this situation, this area of the post is going to be bolded and italicized. So now you know how you can customize your post on Facebook using a free tool called yaytext.com. Hopefully this gave you some great ideas to work with. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification, so whenever I have a new video uploaded, you'll be first to be notified. And also please like, share, and comment. I would appreciate it very much if you would support me in that fashion. And then also, if you have any questions, just comment below. Again, thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.